Hey there, girlfriend. Have you seen those gorgeous glass lips that are all over social media and wondering how to get this perfect high shine look? Well, today is your lucky day. You know, Ingafay is here to help you look as good as you can for as long as you can. And we're so excited to share these products with you and the hacks to show you exactly how to create this look at home. So we will see you on the other side. Well, hey there, Inga Faye here. This is the Do You Boo YouTube channel for busy professionals who value their opinion and want convenient beauty solutions that really fit in their life. Today, I'm going to break down exactly how to do this viral glass lip look with 4 Mary Kay products. And I just can't wait to share this look with you. This look is perfect for taking your professional look from polished girlfriend to absolutely stunning. And we're going to get right into it. So let's do this, shall we?
Come on, like this is such a look. I love it. Glass lips is a super elevated look and I love it at the moment, so let's jump into it. I usually like to cleanse my skin first, then exfoliate, then apply serum and SPF, especially if I'm going outside. Now, if you want to achieve a mirrored finished look for your lips, it's very important to exfoliate first. So this needs to sit on your lips for about 1 to 2 minutes. So while we wait, we'll just move straight into eyeshadow. Now that we've let it soak, let's scrub it off. Now we're gonna go in with our butter balm. And just like the sugar scrub, we're also gonna let the shea butter balm sit on our lips. And until then, let's move into our brows and eyeliner. What I really love about this mascara is it gets in between all those really hard to reach places in your eyelashes. It just kind of gives you a fan effect and I just love that. Last step before we get into our lips, we're gonna do blush. Now, for the moment we've all been waiting for, my favorite part is the lips. We're gonna start off with the lip liner. Instead of just lining the outer edges of my lips, I'm filling them halfway in, leaving the centers alone. Take the lip liner and sort of feather it out, and then after you go over with a darker color on your cupid's bow and like the bottom. This creates a two-toned effect to make my lips look more dimensional. And then finish it off with a clear or a nude gloss to bring out that ombre effect. This is perfect for a date night, going to the museum, out with your friends, literally anywhere. It's just a statement and you don't really need anything else. It's a great look.
Well, girlfriend, there you have it. That is the complete glass look, the glass lip look. And it's there in just four simple steps that can help you look your best on the fly. And I am so excited to share this with you. But here's the thing. We want to make sure that you get the right shades for your complexion and your style. That makes all of the difference in the world, which is why I wanted to invite you to a virtual beauty experience with me. And it doesn't have to just be you and me, girlfriend. You can share this with your girlfriends. And during this experience, we are going to first and foremost find the perfect lip liner for you and the lip glosses that look great on your skin tone. Then we're also going to find Mary Kay products that fit into your busy lifestyle. And then I'm going to teach you application techniques that's going to help you save time because we know that you're busy, girlfriend. And then you'll discover beauty solutions designed specifically for professionals just like you. So I want you to either click the link in the description or type in book me so we can set up this appointment. And it's virtual, so you don't even have to leave your house. We just connect via Zoom. This is absolutely free and it's designed specifically for busy professionals that truly value their appearance. So girlfriend, if that is you, let's do this, okay? Now, be sure to share this video with 3 of your girlfriends you think that would absolutely love to try this glass look. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week. If you want to, you can go ahead and scan this QR code too to book your virtual beauty experience. Okay. See you next time, girl.